Everybody dreads that clicking sound when you turn the key, right? If your Santa Fe won't start, your alternator could be the problem. Let's break down what to do. The alternator charges your car's battery while you drive. If it stops working, your battery drains fast, leaving you stranded. Here's a quick step-by-step check. First, look for warning signs. Are your headlights dim or flickering? Is there a battery-shaped warning light on your dash? These are classic alternator red flags. Next, try starting your car. If it's sluggish or you hear clicking, your alternator may not be charging the battery. Pop the hood and check the alternator belt. Is it loose, cracked, or missing? A bad belt means your alternator can't work. Now grab a multimeter if you have one. Set it to DC volts and test the battery with the engine off. Should read around 12.6 volts. Start the engine. If it doesn't rise to 13.5, 14.5 volts, your alternator isn't charging. If you're not comfortable checking these yourself, call a mechanic. Replacing an alternator isn't a DIY job for most folks. So, if your Hyundai Santa Fe won't start and you spot these signs, it's probably the alternator. Catch the problem early, save yourself a headache, and keep your car running smoothly.